Hey there everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Yash Trading and today we are going to dive into lesson number 2 of the binary trading classes. With over 5 years of trading experience, we know for sure what works and what not works in a trading environment. And in this video, I am going to guide you through everything that you need to know about the pocket option trading platform interface. From choosing the asset, analyzing the charts, to setting the time and choosing the amount, to trading like a pro. By the end of this video, I'm sure that most of you are going to trade like a pro. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay everybody, so once you have registered yourself on the pocket option platform and you log in, this is your dashboard. Let me explain everything to you. This is the chart area where you can see the assets, price trend, and on the right side you have the options for trading such as time, the amount to choose, and the buttons to trade. On the left side you have the option to choose the assets and more options to customize your chart type. I am going to walk you through everything step by step. Alright guys, so let's get started. So if you go to the bottom left corner and press this button right here, you can see labels like M10, M30, H1, H4, D1 and many more. So this is not the trade duration as you would have been thinking by now. This is the chart time frame, also called the candle frame. So what does it mean? If you click on any button on this, for example M10, if you click on M10, each candle on the chart represents a 10 minutes of market movement for that asset. And if you click on H1, then it shows you 1 hour of market movement. And similarly, D1 is for full day of movement. So if you click on shorter time frames such as M5 or M10, you can see quick price movements of the asset. So that is perfect for very fast trading. And on higher time frames like H1 or D1, you can get the big picture of how the asset is performing in a day or in an hour. So that you can use for your research and strategy planning. So before we are going to take any trade, we always start by analyzing the price trend of an asset so that you have a very good idea of what you are going to do and what you are going to expect from this asset. So always start with a bigger time frame and then drop down to a smaller one to find the perfect entry point for your trading. So remember, this area is just for viewing the chart differently, and this is not setting the time for trading. This here helps you read the market more clearly and make smarter decisions based on your analysis. Alright guys, so moving on. If you take a look at the top left corner of the chart, here you have the asset selector, and here you can choose what to trade. Pocket option provides you many options to trade, which are currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and even indices. So let's take a look at what each of these options provide us. If you click on currencies, you can see that many currency pairs are labeled here, and you can see the payout percentage of each. And in cryptocurrencies, you can see the most popular items like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, etc. And if you go to commodities, here you can trade with gold, silver, or even oil. And below you have stocks, where you can find big companies like Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, and Intel. And in indices, we can see many indices like S&P 500, Nasdaq, or even some of the world's global markets. And let me give you a pro tip. Here you can see little stars on the left side of each asset. Now if you click on each star, you can add any asset that you like onto your list of favorite assets. So now if you go into favorites tab, here you can see all your favorite assets, so it is easy for you to access, and it even displays at the top of the chart for quick access. So remember, choosing the asset that works for you is the right decision to start a very good trading. Okay guys, so now let's take a look at customizing the charts, because every trader has their own unique styles and preferences. If you go to the top left corner right next to the asset selector, here you have the chart panel where you can choose from 4 different chart styles, which are line, candles, bars and Heikin Ashi, which is great for smoothing out the market noise. Right below the chart types, we have time frames where you can choose from as little as 5 seconds to all the way up to 1 day. Shorter time frames are usually helpful in catching, analyzing the short movements and trends in the price range, whereas higher time frames are great for spotting strong trends. And below that, we have the settings where you can enable or disable the timer, enable or disable the auto scroll function, enable or disable the grid snap for more precise analysis. So before placing your next trade, make sure your chart is looking and behaving the exact same way that you prefer, so that you can place trades much more confidently. Okay, so let's move on and talk about the most important tool in trading, which are the technical indicators. So if you look here, right next to the chart panel, we have the technical indicators panel, where you can see there are dozens of tools available for our disposal, but I am going to explain 3 of them. First is MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence, and this one helps us to understand the momentum and potential of a trend reversal. It is perfect for spotting where to enter when a new trade is formed. Below that, as you can see, we have the Bollinger Bands. The wider the bands, the more the price is moving. We can use this tool to avoid trading in flat markets and catch real breakouts. This is very important in measuring market volatility. And next, below that, we have the RSI, which is the Relative Strength Index. Now this tool tells us if the market is overbought or oversold, which is great for finding high probability reversal points. All of these indicators can be combined with our AI tools to give you a very helpful insight and signals for trading with ease. And you don't have to do any of this alone. Our team will analyze the market and combine strategies and these tools and AI and give you signals that you can just copy and paste. So make sure join us so that we can help you trade better and with ease. Okay, so moving on, let's see how to set up the trade time and investment amount. Don't worry, it's very flexible and easy. So if you look to the right side of our screen, here we have the time where you can set up the expiration time for your trade. You can set it from as low as just 5 seconds to a maximum of 4 hours. For quick scalping, you can use just 5 seconds of trading. If you prefer long analysis and trend trades, use minutes or even hours if your strategy is like that. And next step is choosing the amount. Pocket option lets us choose from as low as $1. You can see on the right our trade example with 5,000 rupees at 65% return gives a payout of 8,250 rupees, which is 3,250 rupees of pure profit. Every setup is customizable, and with our signals and mentorship, we will guide you about what time and what amount is the apt fit for the market. So now you know how to switch from real and demo accounts. Now, Pocket Option provides a very variety trading modes. Here, if you go, you can see that below demo account, we have a Forex button. If you click on that, here we have Forex MT5 Real, MT5 Demo, MT4 Real, MT4 Demo, and Shares Real, and even Shares Demo. But you don't need to worry about anything now. We are going to trade in real account with quick trading because this is the fast-paced binary trading where you can start with just 1000 rupees and follow our AI signals and grow steadily. You don't need to worry about all of this right now because we are going to guide you through everything step by step through our detailed mentorship and guidance. Okay guys, so that was all about today's video. I hope that now you have a clear idea of what Pocket Option is and what it has on offer for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more such informational videos. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel where you can join our VIP and get into the most premium hands-on experience with our AI signals. So this is Yash Sharma signing off. See you on the next video. Bye.